problem.
Oh, you've got the hiccups. That's not such a big problem.
That is only half of my problem.
126 hiccups.
That is the other half of my problem. And all this thunder and lightning is giving me a headache.
127 hiccups.
Will you stop that, please?
I wish I could, but I can't help myself. A hiccup is to count. Sorry.
Listen, all you have to do is get rid of the hiccups and he'll stop counting. Why don't you? I've heard that this works. Try holding your breath. Some people believe that that'll stop the hiccups.
Holding your breath.
It's holding your breath.
Okay, I'll try it.
128 hiccups.
Nope, didn't work.
No.
Got any other theories?
Well, some people think that if you frighten the person that has the hiccups will go away!
Ha-ha! 129 hiccups.
That didn't work.
No.
Well, I know I have this one last thing you could try. Now, it's a little weird, but some people think that if you drink a cup of water with your fingers in your ears, the hiccups will go away. It's not easy, but it might work.
Okay. Cup of water with your fingers in your ears. How do you do that? Hey! It works! You're a genius!
Good, thank you
You're a
so
genius.
much. Well, something was going to work, I was sure.
Party pooper.
I will see you later.
Okay.
Achoo!
Gesundheit.
Aha! One sneeze, one Gesundheit.
Achoo! Oh, my hay fever.
Two sneezes.
Gesundheit.
Two sneezes, two Gesundheit.
Don't you start with me, Count. I'm getting out of here.
Maria, wait for me. Sneezes are my specialty.
Oh. Achoo!
Wait, 3 sneezes. Only 2 Gesundheit, but 3 wonderful sneezes.
Why?